Are you struggling to save money because you feel broke? Don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is saving money isn't just for rich people. Anyone can start, even with little or no cash. In today's video, I'll share 10 practical tips on how to save money fast, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Stick around until the end, because the last tip will change the way you think about saving forever. Tip 1. Stop the small leaks. Money often disappears through tiny leaks. Snacks, daily takeout, unused subscriptions, or paying for things you don't really need. Write down your expenses for 1 week. You'll be shocked at how much you can save by cutting out the small stuff. Tip 2. The 24-hour rule. Before buying anything that's not essential, wait 24 hours. That pause gives you time to ask, do I really need this? Most times, the answer is no, and you've just saved money without even trying. Tip 3. Pay yourself first. Whenever you get paid, save a small percentage before spending. Even 5 to 10% matters. Think of it as paying your future self. This simple habit builds discipline and grows your savings over time. Tip 4. Free overpaid. Instead of spending, search for free alternatives. Free workouts on YouTube instead of a gym membership. Free learning platforms instead of expensive courses. Cooking at home instead of eating out. Each choice saves you money immediately. Tip 5. Sell what you don't need. Your home is full of hidden money. Old clothes, unused electronics, and furniture can all be sold online. Turn clutter into cash, and then add it straight to your savings. Tip 6. Track every expenses. You can't save what you don't track. Use a free budgeting app or just a notebook to record every expense. When you see where your money really goes, you'll find areas to cut back. Tip 7. Cook in bulk. Food is one of the biggest expenses. Cooking in bulk saves money and time. Instead of buying daily meals, cook for the week and watch how much more you keep in your wallet. Tip 8. Use cash instead of cards. When you pay with cash, you actually feel the money leaving your hand. This makes you think twice before spending. Cards make it too easy to swipe and forget. Tip 9. Avoid debt traps. Quick loans, payday apps, or buy now pay later schemes may look helpful, but they keep you broke. High interest rates eat up your future income. Focus on living within your means and staying debt-free. Tip 10. Set small, clear goals. Saving becomes easier when you have a target. Don't just say, I want to save. Instead, aim for something specific like $100 for emergencies or for a side hustle. A clear goal keeps you motivated. So let's quickly recap. Cut small leaks, use the 24-hour rule, pay yourself first, find free alternatives, sell unused items, track every expense, cook in bulk, use cash, avoid debt traps, and set clear goals. Remember, saving money isn't about how much you earn. It's about how smart you are with what you already have. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who also wants to save money fast. And let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you'll start doing today to save more?